Take a look at this beautiful Ford Crown Victoria, 1955 model. Yes, it is a true Crown Victoria, as you can tell by the 64A body on the data tag, if you check out the still pictures. Speaking of still pictures, you can see those at uniqueclassiccars.com, so you can snoop all around this car and see how nice it really is. So you can see the bright works beautiful on it. It's white, and I believe what they would have called tropical rose back in the day. Two-tone, of course, with all the chrome on these Crown Victorias. They just stand out apart from a lot of the other 55 Fords. 55 Ford was a new redesign and body style, trying to keep up with the Chevys that had started a new body style in 55 also. And as you can see, this one's just beautiful. The bright work on it all the way around it. Powered by a Y block underneath the hood, V8. So it also has a manual. Excuse me, this one did have an automatic transmission in it. See, the interior's been all redone to match the exterior and is also in very, very nice shape. Check out the chrome halo on the inside as well as the outside the Crown Victoria is known for. Very nice looking car. You can also look up and down the sides of it, see how straight it is. You can also check out the underside pictures, see how solid this car is underneath. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you're going to see the still pictures, interior, engine bay, undersides. You can also feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. If you'd like to discuss transportation, have any questions about the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and fire it up too. This is a very smooth running car. Right on the wide whites, see the fender skirts, just everything that was cool back in 1955 when a Ford, the Crown Victoria, had. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. Like I said, it was a Y block V8 underneath the hood, and it is an automatic transmission. Check out how nicely the door cards have been done to match the interior. Just beautiful. You could show this car, take it on those Sunday cruises or your local roll-ins. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See, here it run. Oh. Let's get just a little bit of a choke. There we go. Choke lever's right down here. There we go. I was going to say it's always been a nice starting running vehicle. Fan controls, radio and clock. So the dash is pretty much stock. Obviously been repainted. Very cool how they did the speedometers in these also, where it was backlit. So you can see the needle go up and down, but you can also see all the way through the thing. Push the choke the rest of the way in. See here, it's got a nice little rumble to it. So nicely that door closes. Slip around to the back. A little rumble out of that Y block. Again, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. Or check out any of those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1955 Ford Crown Victoria.